Hello, I'm filming. And I bought one mobile heat comb. It was very viral on Instagram and everywhere, so I bought that. बहुत पहले, yes. Okay. Bye. Okay. I hope it's in focus. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a product review. Hello and welcome to my channel. So first of all, before beginning this video, I want to thank all those who subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much. It actually really motivates me to make more videos. So yes, thank you. Moving on to today's video. Today is going to be a product review, and this is something that kept popping up on my feed and I was like, let's buy it. खरीद लेते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है. Because every time, be it YouTube or Instagram, it always kept popping on my feed. So I bought it. And the product is this. I'm sure I'm not the only one जिसके feed में ये आता होगा. I'm sure you've got this ad on your feed. This is the product that we are talking about. It is the mobile heat comb, and this is how the outer packaging looks. I mean, I think it's pretty, like the color is pretty, it's good enough. This is how it comes. Talking about, sorry about so much noise, but talking about the packaging, what is this like? Why is it already torn? Matlab, okay. This is a charger, and this is the comb. And the packaging is like almost pura fata hua hai. So anyway, like, let us talk about the actual product. This is how it looks like. It comes with a cover on top, and then these are the bristles that are supposed to help you straighten your hair. Here is the power button, so if you long press it, the power will be on. And the light is supposed to blink, yes. And then you, once it starts blinking, that means that it is going to start heating up. So before we see if this even actually works or not, let's talk about the product itself. So it comes with a cap like this. It's a protective sleeve. When we take this off, this is how the bristles look. This is the part where it heats up. Here would be your indicator light. So and here's the switch on and off button. So the main switch, and if you long press it, it turns on and the light indicator will start beeping. There are 3 heat settings. One is 150, 160 and 180 degrees Celsius. Once it starts blinking, that is basically indicating that it's heated up to that temperature. And then on the bottom you have the charger. So the charging port is a type C. What I like about this is that it has a gap in between the cover. So like even if this is hot, you can close it and it should be enough ventilation for it to. Pretty difficult. I've already charged this and it took 5 to 6 hours to charge this. So that's a pretty long time. Also, if you haven't noticed, I curled my hair. It's already going back to becoming straight. But yes, for the purpose of this video, I did curl my hair. My hair is usually very straight, so if I would test this on it, wouldn't be much justice. So I curl my hair. Let's see if this works. So each setting is supposed to be for your hair type. If you put the lowest temperature, that is 150 degrees Celsius, it is mainly suitable for fine and soft hair. And then the second one, that is 160 degrees Celsius, that is suitable for normal hair. And then the third one is suitable for thick, coarse hair. Okay, we let it heat up. It's heating up. Okay, I can feel this part getting warmer. Also, this portion is supposed to be hot, so it's recommended you don't touch it. But this portion is supposed to stay cool. Apparently, we can also style our hair with this, that is straighten, curl, wave and all that. But let's see if this warms up enough for my hair. We'll wait. So 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. Let's wait. So I've put on the timer for 5 minutes. Please. No. So I've already put on the timer for 5 minutes. Let's wait. neat glaze. Okay, it seems to be warming up pretty, yeah, but I can still touch it, so patience, patience, patience. Who put your lipstick? Who put your lipstick? Who put your lipstick? Who put lipstick on your white face? Oh, on your white face. You'll probably break everything. This is what we do while we wait. We have 2 minutes to go. Are you done licking me? You done licking me? You done licking me? You done? Please let me fill. Please, please. Please high five. The timer is done, so I guess we can use the straightener now. Okay, not too hot, but so as you can see, it's not very straight here. Okay, let us straighten that. If this works, nothing like it. It's working. It's working? Come on. I mean, it did. It's not going to be super straight. Let's try it with a thicker section. Will it work? Okay, so this is how the hair looks currently. Let's hope for the best. Okay. And it's not that hot, like I can literally touch it. It was hot, but the moment I started using it, it started cooling down and it's not hot anymore. What a waste. What a waste. I mean, honestly, I knew this is going to be a gimmicky product and it's not going to be good, but you know, hope. We're gonna give it a second chance and wait for another 5 minutes and see. I really wanted this to work. मैंने तो बताया नहीं, this was for 578 rupees. That's the price I paid. But I think different sellers sell this, so it varies. You'll get this somewhere in between 400 to 600 rupees. But honestly, I wouldn't recommend you to buy this. So I feel like what happens is once it reaches its temperature, it doesn't maintain it, it starts cooling down. So the first one is supposed to be for thin hair. My hair is pretty normal, so the second temperature should be good enough for me. But I'm using the third one, that's for thick and coarse hair. I mean, if it does not do anything for me, I'm not really sure if it will. If you have actual curly hair, it stopped beeping, and again, it's good enough. This is how my hair looks right now because of all the curl and all that. It's now starting to uncurl, but hopefully this will straighten our hair. Okay, going very slowly. Very slowly. Honestly, if you're going to use this during traveling to, you know, straighten your hair, you'll probably reach your destination and your hair still won't be straight. If you're getting late, ya to straighten hi mat karo, nahi to stay 5 minutes extra. Use your actual straightener. It'll be easier because again, it's cooled off. So this is a waste of money for sure. It is a waste, guys. Do not buy this. This is actually the second one that I bought. The first one didn't work at all. Second one is this, and this is how it's working. And I waited so long to make this video that I can't even return it anymore. So I guess पानी में गया, छपा, डूब गया, पैसा डूब गया. Okay, I'm still trying. Okay, you can see I'm still trying. I mean, honestly, don't be like, abhi to it was curled and like you're saying it's not working. It is not. I'll prove it. My hair is straight, so even if I comb this, okay, it is going to become straight. Curls don't stay. It's the same as this one. I just combed this with my normal comb and it is straight, whereas this didn't do anything. With this, we come to an end of this video. I hope you liked it, and my recommendation would be not to buy this. period. Don't buy things off of the internet. I bought this on Amazon actually, but it was after going through all these ads, and I just wanted a safer site to purchase this. Eventually it's just shit. If you watched till the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video with people that you know like to buy things off of the internet, because it looks good and makes you curious, like how is this working? So please share it with your friends and family members, and until next time, bye. The mobile comb. I'm so disappointed. Like, what did I do? Just wasted my money. That is it. This is the honest review. Wasted my money. Sorry for the construction noise. Okay, bye.